Right, so today I've come down to a local woodland. It's 30 degrees today, so it's really hot. I've no air conditioning in the flat, so what I wanted to do was get out somewhere a little bit cooler and do some cooking. So I'm going to cook my evening meal up, steak, beans and sausage, and before I do it in the woods where it's a bit cooler, and do a quick review on the Trangia stove for you. Right, so Trangia stove packs together neatly with a strap to secure it. And in there we've got the frying pan. This is an accessory that I bought. I wouldn't be without it. It works great as a chopping board. You can see it works as a colander there for sieving out water if you're cooking rice or anything like that, vegetables, whatever you're doing. And you can also put it on top of the pans if it's on any of the pans, to keep food warm while you may be cooking up something else. I'm not sure what it's called. It's the chopping board, whatever, for the Trangia there. There are two pans. I have the smaller 1-2-person version, so these are 1 litre. There are other versions available, and I think the larger pans 1.5 litre, maybe 1.75 litres, something like this. They also do different materials for the pans. These are the ultralight aluminium. I've had this, I don't know, 3-4 years now. Been absolutely great. No issues with that whatsoever. So 2 pans. They're designed to fit quite neatly in one another like that. There's the pan handle. It's quite a clever design. Used for holding the pan obviously when it's hot. And the burner itself, it's a methylated spirits burner. The burner, Ingenious design. Put the spirits in there, light it. The way it goes together, there's the bottom windshield, that drops in there like that. Add the fuel. One little trick I did learn is to add a little water, not too much, but a little water to the mess, and it stops it sooting up so much on the pans. You can use a lighter to light it. Strangely enough, you can't always see the flame, but you can certainly feel it. That's the bottom section. Top section. Screws into place. And then the pan. Gets very hot very quickly. Add a little oil to that. Actually, what I'm going to do first is the beans and sausage. I've gone for the easy option today. Right, it's baked beans, steak and beans, protein filled, great meal. Right, so that's on there. I'm running low on battery. I wanted to do this in real time. Didn't check the battery, I thought I had, but it's flashing at me, so I'm going to turn off now and I'll come back when I've got the steak on the go. Right, so there we go. I reckon that's done. I like it medium rare. So that's that. And I'm just going to pop those back on there just to chop them up a little bit while the steak rests. And that's a quick and easy meal on there. There is this attachment for the burner which you can fit, and what that enables you to do is control the rate of burn, the rate of flame. It's not something I've ever found a need for, to be honest, but it's there, it's an option should you need it. But that's a quick and easy meal. It's a shame I couldn't have done it in real time, but I did need to save the battery because it could go on me any time. But that's took literally what, 10 minutes, if that, from start to finish. And that's my meal done. I've got a nice pale ale, steak and ale, perfect combination, one from Brass Castle. That's still slightly chilled, I'm not too far away from home, come out to do this. Having fun in the woods. Trangia, I'd recommend it, it's great, it's simple, it's easy, it's not too heavy, lots of different options. You can get a kettle to go with it, non-stick pans, depending what you need. That's it, yeah. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Cooks your dinner. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more.